Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can know if your neighbor's box is filled, like the collector's box is filled or not. So for instance, you are willing to get the secret title that's been going around in Heartopia. I don't actually know what the secret title is yet, but maybe it's just called secret. I don't know. But if you go to the box, you'll see from afar. This means that you cannot submit anything anymore. But this one, you're still able to submit items in their box. So just go here and then you are able to then submit the items that they need for their material collection box. So I'm gonna do the bird info card, and yeah, that's pretty much it really. So you don't have to go around and open it one by one. You can just go past their house and see if there's a green mark next to their box or not. And yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.